A dead easy guide for natural colon cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam and I know how it feels when your digestion isn't working properly due to your busy lifestyle, including eating out too much, not exercising regularly and sitting in front of your computer. And like most of you, most of the stuff I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 7 powerful tips for your natural colon cleanse and turned them into a routine that I started seeing vast improvements with my energy level and overall well-being. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Tip number 1. Eat yogurt regularly. One of the easiest ways to cleanse your colon is by eating a cup of yogurt every day. It's always a good idea to consume probiotics or good bacteria because it promotes a healthy colon. Also, it helps you to get rid of the bad bacteria in your body. You can add some fruits into your yogurt such as bananas, cherries and apples. Besides, other natural sources of probiotics are sauerkraut, kimchi and aged cheeses. Tip number 2. Exercise regularly. Colon cleansing is not just about eating the right food. It also has to do with your physical activity. You can detoxify your body by doing simple exercises. This method is both simple and basically for free. Once the body is full of toxins, you need to sweat them out. You should aim to sweat and do physical activities for at least 15 minutes on a daily basis. Keep yourself well hydrated when exercising. This supports your colon cleansing efforts enormously. Tip number 3. Getting enough sleep. A super easy method for colon cleansing is getting enough sleep. Keep in mind that when you sleep, your body goes into a state of regeneration and cleansing. If you don't have enough sleep, your detoxification organs won't be able to fully recharge and function. If possible, you have to aim for about 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night in a comfortable and noiseless environment. Also, it improves your overall energy level and mood throughout the day. Tip number 4. Consume plenty of fiber. Experts recommend that you should eat fiber-rich foods in order to have a healthier body. Fiber aids in better digestion and proper absorption of nutrients from the food you eat. When you eat lots of fiber, you are helping your body cleanse the colon and get rid of the toxins. Oatmeal, for example, is rich in fiber. You can enjoy eating it with fruits like pears and raspberries. Other foods that are packed with fiber include artichokes, broccoli and peas. Tip number 5. Drink fresh lemon juice. Lemons contain fiber and vitamin C, and it's packed with natural antioxidants. Drinking lemon juice can offer a long list of health benefits. It can promote hydration, healthy skin, weight loss and fresh breath. You can drink the juice on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Drink another glass at night or during the day. Tip number 6. Drink vegetable juices. Gulping down a glass of raw vegetable juice can naturally and safely remove toxins from your colon. The micronutrients and fiber in fresh juice are super beneficial to improve your colon health. You can prepare kale or spinach juice and drink it to detoxify the body. The juice will hydrate your body to flush out the wastes and toxins. Tip number 7. Drink more water. The simplest and most inexpensive home remedy for colon cleansing is water. Drink 2 to 3 liters of clean or purified water in order to help your colon get back on track. Water can promote proper metabolism and keep your body hydrated. There you have it. Work all 7 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. Now with that said, there are even better strategies to potentially cleanse your entire body, not just your colon, to feel the reduction of symptoms much faster. I put together a 100% free 3-step body cleanse action plan for you to help you with this. So if you want to learn how to systematically cleanse your body, follow the simple 3-step formula in my 100% free guide. This is what worked well for me when pretty much all else failed. So you can get it for free at coloncleansehelper.com. So to get that, just type into your browser URL address bar coloncleansehelper.com. And again, this will show you how to systematically cleanse your body following a simple 3-step formula. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I see you in the next video.